Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving through Santa Cruz. Now we have to ask a very serious question. What will happen to Santa Cruz when the highway comes through this part of Jamaica? Now Highway 2000 is going to run from Kingston to Negril. Currently the section from Kingston to Mandeville is open. But they are working on another section from Mandeville to Black River, or more specifically from Williamsfield in Manchester to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. But the alignment of this highway is going to take it to the more towards the coast. So it's not going to pass through Santa Cruz. It's not going to pass close to Santa Cruz. The highway is going to have a bypass or an exit from Mandeville, and then it's going to go towards the coast, go up the hill to Junction, come down through Treasure Beach, and into Black River, then Hodges. So St. Elizabeth is not going to be a part of this highway. So St. Elizabeth is the largest town in St. Elizabeth. Sorry, Santa Cruz is the largest town in St. Elizabeth. Black River is the capital, but Santa Cruz is the largest and busiest town. So what we've seen happen is the towns or the communities that the highway passes through or has an exit to does very well. But the communities or the towns that the highway takes the traffic away from, they don't do very well. For example, the section of the highway that just opened from Maypen to Mandeville, it took the traffic away from the main road. So towns like Clarendon Park, Porus, Osborne Store, those areas that the traffic used to be on via the main road, they are seeing serious economic fallout. Serious. You can check out the videos on the channel. The traffic is now on the highway. So Santa Cruz now is a massive town. It's bigger than Black River. Massive town. This is it that we're driving through. What will happen to Santa Cruz when that highway opens? Now, this also brings up a question. Why is the highway bypassing Santa Cruz? Now, Junction is a growing town, but nothing on the level of Santa Cruz. Maybe the highway should have gone through Santa Cruz and then up into Junction, but I'm not sure why they chose the alignment that they did. But the highway had to go through Treasure Beach because Treasure Beach is the tourist area in St. Elizabeth. So I assume that was the easiest route to get it through to Treasure Beach. And then down to Black River. Well, Black River is the capital, but I'm not sure. Guys, what do you think? Do you think the highway should have gone through Santa Cruz or close to Santa Cruz rather than taking it up into the hills? And the original alignment of this highway had it going more inland. So it would have been going through from Mandeville through the Balaclava area. It was basically to go more along the track of the railway lines. But Santa Cruz is going to be the largest town that is bypassed by a highway. So maybe it will survive. Maybe the pass through traffic here isn't as important as say Porus or Clarendon Park, because Santa Cruz, as you can see, it's a very developed town. So we'll have to wait and see. But a question needs to be asked: why is the highway not going through Santa Cruz? Alright, guys, let us know what you think, and we will keep you guys updated on the alignment of this highway and the construction from Williamsfield to Hodges. It's actually on the way now. They haven't started the physical construction yet, but they're doing the planning and the background work basically to get things going. And it should be completed within the next 4 to 5 years. So there's plenty of time to figure out how Santa Cruz will be impacted by all of this. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.